going to be talking a lot about the changes in the industry because there's a lot going on. Every time that there's a major change, there are major opportunities created, and we're going to be talking about those opportunities. I think particularly this year, there's so much change that you can really be the ones to capitalize on that change and grow your businesses and make sure that they're bulletproof or as bulletproof as possible for some of the changes that are happening. Branding is super, super important. You should be stamping your name everywhere. They can't stop you from putting your brand name up there, the name of your company. You need to be able to put that there. The thing is, you have to keep your customers. You have to keep your customers so you're not reliant on the third-party listing websites.